Welcome to No More Excuses. Today we will discuss the benefits of a healthy diet. Are you trying to lose weight? Are you finding it hard to stick to a healthy diet? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to eat healthy foods, especially if they're not used to them. But don't give up. Following a healthy diet has plenty of benefits, and once you get into the habit, it will become easier and more manageable. Here are just some of the benefits you can expect. 1. You'll have more energy. Eating nutritious foods will give your body the energy it needs to thrive. You'll feel more awake and alert throughout the day, and you'll be able to think more clearly. Eating healthy is one of the best things you can do for your body. When you eat nutritious foods, your body gets the energy it needs to thrive. You'll feel more awake and alert throughout the day, and you'll be able to think more clearly. Eating healthy also allows you to be more active, leading to increased energy levels. So if you're looking for a way to boost your energy levels, eating healthy is a great place to start. Smoothie with yogurt, fruit, and almond milk is a perfect example of a nutritious and energizing meal that will help your body perform at its best. 2. Your skin will look better. If you've been struggling with skin problems like acne or eczema, eating healthy foods may help clear them up. Your skin will also look younger and healthier overall. Eating healthy can improve your skin in many ways. Antioxidants help to fight the damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to inflammation and breakouts. For example, eating foods high in antioxidants may help clear up your skin if you have been struggling with acne. Eating foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E can also help improve your skin's appearance. These vitamins are essential for skin health and can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In addition, eating foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids can help to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Your skin will also look younger and healthier overall. So there are plenty of reasons to ensure you eat a healthy diet. Of course, that doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods. Just focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals and limiting processed foods and sugary drinks. So, if you want to improve the appearance of your skin, eating healthy is an excellent place to start. With a little effort, healthy eating can become a delicious and nutritious part of your everyday life. 3. You'll have less stress. When you're eating unhealthy foods, your body releases hormones that contribute to stress levels. But when you eat healthily, your body doesn't need to produce as much cortisol, meaning you'll be less stressed. 4. You'll lose weight, if that's what you want. One of the main benefits of a healthy diet is losing weight if needed or wanting to. It definitely isn't limited just to those individuals. Countless other benefits are waiting for someone willing enough to try to conquer their bad habits and optimal bodily functions await. So let's change our diets together. Smile. 5. You'll have better digestion. When you eat healthy foods, your body can digest them more easily. You'll suffer from less bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. 6. You'll sleep better. Eating healthy foods helps to regulate your body's natural sleep cycle. Eating more nutritious foods may help you get the rest you need if you've been having trouble sleeping. 7. Your immune system will be stronger. This means you'll be less likely to get sick, even during cold and flu season. Healthy foods contain all sorts of nutrients that help to boost your immune system. 8. You'll have more regularity. Eating a healthy diet helps to regulate your bowels, so you'll be less likely to suffer from constipation or diarrhea. 9. You won't get as sick. When you eat healthy foods, your body is better able to fight off illness. This means you'll get sick less often, and it won't be as severe when you do get sick. 10. Your hair and nails will be healthier. Eating nutritious foods helps to give your hair and nails all the vitamins and minerals they need to be strong and healthy. 11. You'll have more energy for physical activity. Eating healthy foods will give you the energy you need to stay active and participate in physical activity. This can help you maintain a healthy weight, and it can also improve your overall health. 12. You'll be less likely to develop diseases. Eating a healthy diet can help to reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. A healthy diet includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. It also limits unhealthy foods like refined carbs, sugary drinks, and processed meats. A healthy diet has been linked to a lower risk of many chronic diseases. For example, eating a healthy diet can help to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and keep blood sugar levels under control. Eating a healthy diet and maintaining a healthy weight can help you stay disease-free and enjoy a long, healthy life. A healthy diet is good for your waistline and can reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Eating various nutrient-rich foods can help keep your body functioning at its best and reduce your chances of developing these severe conditions. So next time you consider skipping the veggies for a greasy slice of pizza, remember that eating healthy could be the key to a long and healthy life. 13. You'll live longer. Studies have shown that people who eat a healthy diet live longer than those who don't. Ever wonder why some people seem to age gracefully while others seem to age prematurely? It turns out that diet plays a significant role in how our bodies age. So if you're looking to add some years to your life, eating healthy is an excellent place to start. Of course, eating healthy isn't always easy. It takes effort and discipline to ensure you're getting the proper nutrients daily. But it's worth it because the benefits of eating healthy are truly priceless. Not only will you live longer, but you'll also look and feel younger. So if you're looking to add some years to your life, eating healthy is an excellent place to start. There are plenty of other benefits of eating a healthy diet, but these are just some of the most notable ones. Just remember to focus on nutritious, whole foods and to eat in moderation. With a little effort, you can easily make healthy eating a part of your everyday life. Once you get into the habit, it won't be as difficult as you think. Eating a healthy diet is one of the best things you can do for your health. You can easily make healthy eating a part of your everyday meal plan and exercise regimen with a little effort. Not only will it help you lose weight and feel better, but it can also reduce your risk of disease and improve your overall well-being. If you're looking to start, just remember to focus on nutritious, whole foods and eat in moderation. So what are you waiting for? Start eating healthy today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.